So I just wanted to update you guys. Apparently, Downloader is back in the Amazon App Store. So I was in fact wrong. They did put it back. I thought there was a solid chance because he said he registered it as a browser. They might say, hey, we actually don't allow browsers. But apparently it got registered as something other than a browser, which I don't, I'll be honest, I don't really understand because it is a browser. So is it just because it's registered that's officially, anyways? But we're going to go over really quick and just double check that we can reinstall it because I am available in Canada and I did actually uninstall it. So let's click here. I offloaded it and we can see it looks like, in fact, it is 100% back. So we can see it just installing right here. Opens right up. So we are back in business here. Now, I do want to put a little bit of PSA here, give you guys a little PSA here on something he brought up here. And that is if you sideloaded Downloader from another source while it was unavailable, I strongly recommend you uninstall it and install it from the Amazon App Store because the sideloaded version will not receive updates. Here's the thing. He wants you to install it from his source because he makes money off it. That's the real reason. And also, of course, yes, the updates are nice, but the main reason is like he makes money off it. Let's be 100% honest here. Unless I'm wrong, you can correct me if I'm wrong. So you should probably still install it from the official source just to make sure you have a good version. And as he states right here, yes, you do also get updates from it, which is important if he fixes any features or changes anything. So I don't see a reason to install it, but if you have a saved version, there's not really a reason to uninstall it at the end of the day. But you should, at the very least, uninstall and install the official version if you guys have a second. I think it's probably the best thing to do. But everything is back and 100%. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little update, short video. And I'm going to be live later this week for our first live stream in a long time. So get ready for that. And if you guys have a chance, come show up and say hi, ask questions. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.